Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making our own flavorful pizza sauce that can also be used for our pasta dishes and soups as well. The ingredients are simple and will most likely be in your kitchen already. It can keep in the fridge for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it in several airtight bags and keep it in there for 6 months. Start by washing and cutting all your vegetables. Cut the tomatoes into quarters and cut up your basil leaves. We'll start out with a deep pot on medium heat and add in olive oil. I had some leftover chopped white onions in the fridge, so I'm throwing those in with garlic that I've chopped up too, along with 2 more cloves of garlic that I found in the fridge as well. I'm adding in 1 more onion because after eyeing the pot, I decided I need just a little bit more onion in there. Then I'm going to add in my seasonings, which consist of celery salt, black pepper, salt, and nutmeg, then a lot of oregano and dried parsley. I'm going to mix and let that cook down for a minute, then add in my tomatoes and fresh basil and mix again. Then we're going to come in with more seasonings because we are going to be diluting this later on. So we're adding in celery salt, and if you don't have this in your pantry, I highly suggest you get it because it adds in a lot of flavor. Now, to make this extra rich, we'll add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, and no, that's not too much because I am making a lot of sauce after all. It's about 2.5 liters worth. Then I'm adding in 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. If you have tomato puree, that will do as well. And even though I do have garlic and onions in there, I'm still going to add some garlic and onion powder and black pepper and more oregano, just because I like my sauce to be very well seasoned. And this is completely up to you after you taste your sauce and see if you want to add more seasonings or not. After I let the sauce bubble up and cook for about 3 minutes more, I'm going to get my immersion blender and blend everything in there to make a smoother sauce. If you don't have one of these, wait for the sauce to cool down a little bit and then put it in a regular blender instead. Don't forget to give your sauce a taste to see if it needs to be thinned out with water in the case that it's too flavorful and rich for you, or if it needs more seasonings in the case that it's a bit bland. I transferred most of my sauce to a glass container already and left it uncovered there to cool down. But I left the rest of the sauce in the pot because I honestly got really hungry by the time I was done shooting this and decided to make a quick meal for myself, and that turned out to be quite yummy, so I suggest you do the same. Dilute the sauce with some water, a cup or a cup and a half will do. Add in your desired amount of pasta and throw in your favorite vegetables or whatever you have available, and just let the pasta cook itself in the sauce, which will only take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on which type of pasta you have. Check if the pasta is al dente or to your liking, give it a taste and decide if you're done based on that. Now, you can use this sauce on your pizzas or as a base for a nice minestrone soup or tomato soup. You can use it as a spread or a dip. You can add heavy cream to it and make it a rich pink sauce pasta, or you can use it to make spaghetti and beef bolognese, or even for your lasagnas. So it's so worth making. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your quick pasta and your delicious pizza sauce, and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!